Today I'm going to show you how to add a Somfy Keygo remote to the brand new Somfy Rollixo panel. Firstly, remove the screw from the bottom of the front cover and then remove the front cover. Press and hold the program button until the light illuminates. Then come to your Keygo and press the left and right buttons until the green light flashes. Then press the button you would like to operate the door. Once the green light goes out and the program button light goes out, you're able to operate the door. You can now operate your SeceuroGlide garage door using the button you just programmed it. On the first press, the garage door will raise, second it will stop, and the third it will close.